Gutom na ako.
Saan tayo? Overall grade. Sa Jollibee.
Saan ka Jollibee dito?
First floor.
Oo, tara.
First floor.
Ito na lang tayo.
No!
First floor na lang naman.
Ito the elevator. Andito na tayo eh. Ikot pa tayo. Okay na yan. We're here. Elevator. Ayun na.
Hello, ba't yung kainin mo?
Ay! So guys, kami pa lang nandito sa sinihan. Tapos horror movie pa papanoorin namin. Like, wala akong tao, not even one. Kami talaga nauna. Nakatakot. Kasi ano pa eh, 3:15 pa kami Anong oras na start?
3:15 mag-start.
Ha? 3:02 pa lang. 3:15. Dapat mag-i-start to. 3:02 pa lang. Nauna kami. Ang creepy. Sakit na.
Bala ka dyan! Bala ka dyan! Bala ka dyan! Bala ka dyan!
Uy, bang mamaya may nasa likod na tayo. Asa ta?
Alam niyo pa yung kwento
Tapos dalawa ding drink. Share na lang.
alam niyo ba yung kwento dun sa Star Mall Alabang?
Oh, ikwento mo.
Yung yung sinihan dun, di ba dating cementerio?
Ayun, oo. Tanda ko yun.
Kunwari,
Nakita ko sa TikTok.
ang dami daw ng tao
Ganda ng Christmas natin. Ganda ng Christmas natin.
Yung tipong wala nang maupuan, sobrang dami ng tao. Yun pala, pagbukas ng ilaw ng sinihan sa Star Mall Alabang, ang tao, as in, konti lang. Yung tao ko yung nakaka-creepy.
What if ba namin ang palang tao right now?
Nakakatakot.
Ando na! Huwag naman ganyan.
Uy, sino yung nasa tabi mo na?
Kita naman eh. Takatan na lang. Guys, it's done. The movie is done. What can you say about the movie? It's scary, but also exciting. It's done. Where's Dap? What can you say about the story, the movie?
Natatakot po siya, wala po siyang katabi.
Uwi na. Let's go home.
Ano pa? Ha? Yung basura?
Pati ba naman sa pag-uwi? Uy, nakakatakot. It's really... The movie is really exciting kaya. See you later!
Anong masasabi niyo sa pinanood niyo? Guys.
Ano? Nakailang sakit kami sa mukha.
Oo nga. Lalo na ako. Natakot ka? Min, natakot ka?
Pero maganda. Maganda kasi it's about investigation.
Maganda ba yung palabas? Is it, scary? Ganda, di ba?
Out of 10, mga ano pa? 9.5.
Mga 1, ganon.
9.5 sa akin.
9.5. How about you?
10. 10.
10 out of 10? How about you?
8.5.
Bakit may 0.5 pa?
Bakit nakapun ka pa? Yan ang tanong.
Oh, ba't meron ka pa niyan? O sige, ubusin nyo na yan.
So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell button. See you next time, guys. Bye! We had so much fun! I would like to give a shout out to these amazing people I've ever met. To my Ate Fulin, Kuya Richard, Ate Marie, Kuya Gary, Ate Limers, Ate Jams, Ate Dab, Kuya Sip, Ate Elena, Kuya Kurt, Ate Rons, Lola Paps, Ate May, Kuya Benz, Ate Tata, Kuya Ramil, Kuya David, and to Kuya Manoy Nilo. And to my other whitey friends, Ate Ella G, and Kuya Ibon. Thank you guys for all your unending love and support for me. I am blessed and grateful to be surrounded by people like you. I am forever thankful to God He sent you all for me. And in return to your kindness, I won't break your trust. And I promise to be a better kid to my fellows and to all of you guys. You're such an inspiration to me. I love you all and God bless everyone. I will support you the best that I can, the way you support me, the best that you can.